a one, a masterpiece. Close to the gods, she's a one, a masterpiece. Close to the gods, she's a one, a masterpiece. Close to the gods, she's a one, a masterpiece.
What we are trying to achieve through B2B Rocks is to gather a community of B2B doers. By doers, I mean startups, basically in the audience, and in front of them, inspiring speakers, guys working on a daily basis with startups. I mean about issues, about developments, about marketing, about ops, and so on. And I think is through inspiring talks, we are trying to deliver actionable insight, actionable knowledge they're gonna apply to in the startup development phase. So that's why we're trying to achieve with B2B Rocks. And it has to be an exclusive event, so it has to remain at human scale. And by the way, B2B Rocks is on, is launched, is empowered by Axeleo, so we are making that event once a year.
She's a one.
This is my second year at B2B Rocks, put on by Axeleo. You know, people were just eager to talk and interact and ask questions. So I came back, and this year has been phenomenal, right? Really excited to be part of it, to have Envision be part of this, just with the level of people and the type of conversations that I've been having have been awesome. And again, I feel like people are just really hungry, right? There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of energy in the audience and the environment here about people wanting to learn what's going on, what can they do better, how can they continue to embrace and evolve the local startup scene here. So I've been incredibly impressed, happy to be part of it. I hope to be back again next year as well.
I don't want you to go yet, and she don't even know it.
Why come to B2B Rocks? It's always a struggle to find time to go to a conference, and I think it needs to be very valuable. And in the case of B2B Rocks, it is. I think it's a great way for me, at least, to meet tons of actually cool executives from other SaaS companies that have the exact same problems and opportunities as you face as a SaaS leader. What's furthermore very interesting is that you get people from companies that are sort of from all over the board. Tons of people that you can sort of leverage and to try to gain a deeper understanding of what you should do now and what you should do next.
We are very excited to be sponsors of B2B Rocks. It has been a very successful event for us over the past couple of years. We're able to work very closely with B2B SaaS companies and local startups. We love accessing the founders and having conversations about how to become a partner and how we can support our partners in becoming successful companies where they can build, market, and grow their apps with the App Exchange.
Close to the gods, she's a one, a masterpiece.